Attention all car enthusiasts. Get ready to experience the ride of a lifetime with the hottest car on the planet. From the powerful engine to the sleek curves, the E-Class had us all drooling in awe. Join us on this unforgettable journey as we showcase every angle of the E-Class, exploring the classic proportions and unique character lines of the exterior design. The short front overhang, long hood, and cab backward design all come together to create a stunning masterpiece. One of the highlights of the exterior design is the black panel-like surface that connects the grille to the headlights. Featuring a black high-gloss finish that's reminiscent of the Mercedes-Benz models, the three-dimensional grille is available in progressive or classic designs, and the LED high-performance headlights come standard. And for those who crave more advanced features, the digital light technology is available as an option, offering a unique tag and night design. Moving on to the side profile, you'll notice the harmonious proportions and sporty character of the E-Class. The flush door handles, available on the upper-class models of Mercedes-Benz, further add to the luxurious appeal, and the two separate character lines on the side accentuate the car's athletic style. But we're not done yet. The rear of the E-Class boasts distinctive two-part LED lights with a unique star pattern in both the daytime and nighttime. This is one car film you won't want to miss. So buckle up and get ready for the ultimate ride in the new Mercedes E-Class. Join us and experience the true meaning of luxury and performance. Let's go!